guys, it's another video and today I'm unboxing the Elf on the Shelf. And if you don't know what it is, the Elf on the Shelf is basically a little basically toy, and it comes to Santa every midnight and he says if you've been good or bad. So I'm gonna unbox it and wish me luck. Oh, here it is. Ooh. Guys, this is the Elf on the Shelf. Right there. And the reason I'm wearing gloves is because I don't want to touch it. If you touch it, it will lose its magic. And I do not want that to happen. So I'm going to open this thingy box. What's this? I don't know what this is, guys. Don't know what that is. Okay. So it's attached to some. Wait, what is it attached to? Oh. Okay. Need a. Let's get this out. I would not recommend using scissors because you might. Also, today was my birthday. But I do not recommend opening it with scissors. Because you might cut it out, and I do not want to have that to happen. Ah, stuck very well. Okay, guys, I'll skip this bit up. So, oh, no, I got it. Okay, one out. Oops, get your legs out, thank you. I'll soon cut your, Oh, okay, I did one, so it means I can do the other one. I do not want to use scissors. Oh, it's so frustrating. Oh, how am I going to get this out? Wait, what's this? What could this be, guys? It says... What was it? Oh! That's just like an ad or something. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, guys, I'm gonna skip this up, so, yeah. Okay, so I skipped this up, and I finally got him out, and it's quite nice, isn't it? Cool. So I have to name this guy something, and I think I'm gonna call him Elfie. Elfie is a good name. Elfie. Yeah, Elfie. So this, guys, is called Elfie. Meet Elfie. Elfie meet YouTube. So, yeah. So, I'm going to show you where I'm going to put him. I put a welcome home sign. Just to welcome him to come. Let me show you guys. So here, so basically I'm going to put him there, so he's going to sit right there, and then tomorrow, hopefully, he's going to go in a different spot. So, yeah, bye guys. So, oh wait, no wait, make sure you go and subscribe, like, comment down below, and turn post notifications on. So, yeah, bye.